Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of Learning with Lori, although I think I should be calling it this week Winning with Lori. I'm very excited to let you know about a contest that RE/MAX has running right now. This particular version runs until March 24th, so there's only 4 days left to enter it. And what you can do is you can enter to win 20 gift cards from Home Depot for $1,000 towards a home renovation. All you have to do, I'm going to put this link in the post so you can get straight to it. And all you have to do is click this enter now, enter your information right there, and you potentially can win $1,000 to Home Depot from RE/MAX. We're also going to be running 2 additional contests throughout the year. So the next one after this one closes is going to be in May and June, and it is the house cleaning contest. And that one you potentially can win $1,000 for a deep clean of your house, which would be super handy, I think, for most of us. And then at the end of the year, between October and November, we're going to be running a stress release contest where 20 lucky individuals have an opportunity to win $1,500 from Expedia to take a stress release trip. So please don't hesitate. Go to this right now, submit your name, and I will be hoping that you get to win $1,000 from Home Depot. Thank you so much. My name is Lori Roberts. I am a full-time real estate broker in Durham region. Call me anytime for all your real estate needs. Have a great day and good luck.